Well, what's up, YouTube? It's me, Handy Danny, and making you guys another video. Typically, here lately, I've been doing a bunch of live streaming, as you've probably already noticed. But I am making a video here today on this topic of a strap. Hey, yo, get the strap. But the every once in a while, people have straps in their gutters, and yeah, I'm not going to say I hate them, but I particularly don't like them. I meant to have all this already set up before I started recording, so my apologies if you feel like you have to sit here and wait till the I get set up. But let me get set up real quick, and shouldn't take me long. Just need some screws, get my screw game together, get all these brown screws up out of my bag. That's the only thing I don't like, man, because I'm making this video here. Milwaukee, I know you make pouches with a lot of pockets, and I have the double pocket pouch. I do own that. I love it, but it'd be nice if this pouch that I have here, as you can see, I don't know the product number of the pouch, but if this pouch had more pockets that were usable, would be awesome. There are times where I've noticed that this pouch right here has pockets that I really can't use, or they're hard to get to. So a more usable pouch pocket pouch, say that 5 times in a row. But all right, let's get started. So I have to make a bunch of cuts with this type of gutter system with the straps here. As you can see, the strap there. And first of all, I'm a little annoyed that I actually have to cut his screen off, which typically don't have to do, but in this case scenario, they nailed it under the roof, so I have to. So we're going to cut our 45 here real fast. My setup didn't take that long, I did it. So let's cut this 45. I'm good at seeing 45s now. I used to have a hard time seeing what way the 45 would go. So I've progressed and gotten a lot better with that. So let's cut this real quick. Okay, throw that away. Now what we have to do is we have to line up the gutter to find these straps. So let's cut this piece right here. And let me tell you something. Just because you screw this raggedy stuff on your house really well doesn't mean that it's going to work, okay? All right, so we got that out the way. He mentioned that he wanted to keep these balls in there. So, oh, he actually told me to take them out. So, let's clean our gutter as much as we can. Got some peat moss growing there. See what those other screens don't do. So I'm only covering partial of its home on this job. So, my sponge, where's my sponge? All right. It's nothing like being stuck by those screws, man. They hurt. And that's a problem. Let's get that out of there. Okay. And this stuff, let's get that out the way. I'm gonna go and just show you this section right here, and the video will be over. So I'm just trying to get my corner clean so I can caulk it. But right here, as you can see, I have to make a mark of where the straps are. So I gotta line up, and I didn't cut this jump back far enough. So try to get that lined up. Okay, so my edge is there, and my strap is here, and my strap is there. So now what I have to do, look at all the modifications I have to do. Oh, gotta cut all this. Turn it over. This is why I don't like straps. So I gotta break all this off. Really just breaks down the whole system, man. It's like, you know, it's just a lot of work to do this. So now let's get this line back up where it's supposed to be. Now I can go put my brackets in where they need to be. Seems like I put way more brackets in as well. I just don't like these straps. And actually, I probably could cut the straps, but for the sake of the video, because I could probably screw to that fascia. I'm just kind of showing you guys how it's done. I could be somebody is doing this type of work and they want to know how to do a house with straps. Hopefully you guys can see that pretty well. GoPro, once again, I'm going to say in every video, GoPro, get your Apple Watch app going to where we can see what the camera sees. That would be awesome. All right, so now I got my brackets in there. Let's put this back in there. And as you can see, we have a pretty good 45. I forgot to caulk. Let me put where my caulk gun at. Caulk around this guy. And then he has a seam right here. Ah, that hurt. Put a bead of caulk there. And that's all we really need. And let's put that right there. Fit these guys up. And that's how it's done. All I gotta do is screw this guy in right here. And I can hear that downspout working. Some old dirt falling down. I just dropped the screw. Somebody remind me to pick that up. Put this back down. And that's how it's done. Only thing I have left to do is I'm gonna take a piece of screen and put it over here, between here. Actually, I'm gonna just cut off this piece and put that screen right there. Put that screen right there. Screw it down, and that's it. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Just a little bit more work than I would prefer to do on a gutter system, but now you know how to do it, just in case. Oh, that's a mess. You're challenged with, I'm gonna get a bigger piece of screen, but that's it right there in a nutshell. Go ahead and give it a shot at home. Let me know how it works out for you, if this is what you have to do. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.